back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Donnie Dotson, and one of the flashiest late models that we have out there. He's coming under the flag stand now, old Donnie Dotson. Christy Uller in the U2 out there on the Speedway, as well as the number 44. Of Scott Aldrin. Bright blue, number 64, Michael McGinnis, a United States Air Force veteran. Give him a salute. Last year, 2024, drew on this Rookie of the Year, the 97 of Steven Dotson. Ted Johnson Jr. in that white and green, number 25. Out on the Speedway, we've got a handful of them. Again, 18 cars set to do battle here at Tyler County, and we are under green. Donnie Dotson already getting racy, my goodness, in the 1.5. Sliding all over this racetrack. Be on the lookout for the 1.5 later on tonight. He's right behind his baby boy in the 97 of Steven Dotson. Coming across the start-finish line, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go ahead and secure it. Throw the checkered flag. Slider on the baby boy, the 1.5, almost gets into the side of the number 97 of Steven Dotson. Old Donnie Dotson didn't come out here to play. Fastest overall in the 1.5. That's going to be a 1.2643 for Donnie Dotson. Baby boy right behind him in the number 97 machine. Oh, Spud, Steven Dotson, 13.49. Michael McGinnis, third quick in the number 64, 14.256. Christian Uller, P4, your fast four right now, 14.403. Ted Johnson Jr., top 5 on speed, 1.516. Scott Aldrin, slowest of 6 in the number 44 machine, 15.283. Hey, shout him out. Look at that. Driving the Mach 5 in the 5M. 5-time Ohio Valley Late Model Dirt Series champion. That's old Zach Milby. It's Milby time, ladies and gentlemen. Tim Sabo in the number 98 machine. Wyatt Irvin out there in the 27. Bub Crum in the B52. Zach Milby in the 5M. Corey Delancey in the number 56. Tim Sabo in the 98. Corey Galbraith in the 21G. Wyatt Irving in the 27. 37 Frank of Wayne Francis and Bub Crum. Group number 2, we are under green. Corey Delancey in the 5.6 goes to second quick on his first lap. 13.162 for Corey Delancey. Zach Milby, 5M, 5-time goes to P2. 13.13 for the 5-time champ of Zach Milby. Checkered flag out on Tyler County Speedway. Wyatt Irvin, the caboose. And it's still going to be from group number 1, Donnie Dotson in the 1.5 with the quick time and hot laps with a 12.643. Zach Milby in the 5M, P2 13.13. Corey Delancey and number 5.6, third quick, 13.16. Fast forward right now, still from group number 1, the number 97 of Steven Dotson. Tim Sable comes out here with a heater, and that number 98 machine, he is your top 5 on speed.